Gaurav, property prices or investment in property has historically always only seen appreciation. But it tends to beg the question, is this a too good to be true phenomenon?
See, property prices, first of all, land is a finite asset. Okay. You cannot manufacture or produce land. There is whatever there is. Okay. If the number of people that are in India keep growing at the pace that they are growing, and the number of people that need housing keeps on increasing the way it's increasing, I don't see how property prices are going to not increase in times to come. Having said that, is property prices like stock market? Can you benchmark it or review it every single day? No. It's a long-term phenomenon. Long-term, I definitely see property prices in India on an upward trend. One of the primary reasons why you see that property prices in India will rise is because there is huge amount of urbanization that is happening in Indian cities. Like today, Tamil Nadu is one state that has one of the highest urbanized cities in the country. There is huge rural migration to the city.
Essentially saying that as long as I invest in real estate, I will, in the long run, never really lose.
I don't see how wise investment in real estate can ever lead to a loss. It's impossible for me to fathom that.